That would have actually costed me about double the price. Hi Domain, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and this is my bedroom. I actually have not changed a thing in this bedroom since we did the renovations, so everything's as it was 6 years ago. I really wanted a wardrobe that I wouldn't tire of, so we went with a timber grain laminate, which is just this really beautiful sort of natural oak print. So it's a print. It's not a timber veneer, which is a real timber. That would have actually costed me about double the price. In this house, we did an internal brick wall, which actually runs down the whole hallway and therefore plays into every bedroom. All our other walls in this space are actually an EasyCraft VJ. And again, VJ is a bit of a go-to to me. I think it's a classic for a wall paneling. It's something that can be employed by multiple styles of homes and something I'll never tire of. When I found this daybed, I was not looking for a daybed. I just happened to be in an antique store on the Gold Coast. It was affordable. It was really interesting. Maybe one day I'll spend the thousands of dollars it will cost me to reupholster it. But until then, I'm just going to enjoy it in all its rusticness. I'm actually able to get away with not spending money on bed heads. I've done that by making sure I've got beautiful paneling on the walls, a really awesome large-scale piece of art, wall lights, and then my Euro cushions sort of finish the job. Creating that homely, lived-in, inviting feeling to me comes from creating a space that's very specific to you. It's something that comes about by being open to the idea that maybe your space is never finished, it's an evolution.